so we got some people's car here, and car ran and then just stopped, and this is what I find. This cam belt is loose, so I'm gonna check that out. I hope this motor is not interference motor, so I hope it didn't bend some valves and stuff. I don't know these motors too well, so just gonna start getting into it, taking the belts off. Looks like I need to remove the crank pulley as well.
Like het subscribe to Who's Up Stars.